This right here, people, is one of the most powerful herbs or plants on the planet. The name of it is called snake plant. In the previous video on snake plant, I showed you how important this herb is for purifying the air and making our environment cleaner. I also mentioned in the previous video the ability of this plant to help with respiratory problems and also to ease the mind and body, to provide calmness in a time of stress, especially when you want to feel free and relaxed at home. This plant being indoor will actually help you to attain this. These are some of the incredible benefits of the snake plant. But in this video, I want to discuss something that is very important about this plant, and I don't want you to miss it. I want to also show you a very effective way to utilize this plant so that you can gain a particular benefit from it. But before we dive into that, I just want you to smash that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, comment below, and share this video with your friends. And if you love natural remedies, also comment, I love natural remedies, and place the country or territory where you are commenting from. The plant's leaves contain anti-inflammatory compounds that help reduce redness, skin irritation, and swelling. The leaves are excellent for conditions like eczema, psoriasis, rashes, and for wounds that won't heal. In this video, I am going to be showing you how to utilize these healing leaves for skin problems and how to apply topically. For all the persons who are still here, once you're enjoying this video and want to see more videos like this, remember to subscribe, hit the notification, comment natural remedies, and share this video with your friends and your loved ones. Alright, so here's an effective way how to use the snake plant, right? So we're just going to cut a leaf like this, right? So here we have a snake plant leaf, right? I just want you to stick around to the end so you can actually learn how to utilize this leaf for the benefits in terms of skin health and wellness. All right, so we're just going to wash our leaf properly, making sure that our leaf is properly washed. Remove any dirt from it. Yep. All right, so we're just going to cut our snake plant, right? We're going to place it in the mortar like this. So I want you to watch the video to the end so you can actually learn how to utilize these amazing herbs for your own health and wellness. All right, for those who are unaware, this plant, the sap, the juice, the poultice have been used to help heal wounds, right? Especially insect bite, fungal infection, irritation, and also swelling. So I believe that we have had enough here, right? So here it is in the mortar. The next step is to beat it into a poultice, right? And as I mentioned to you, the sap is very, very powerful, right? Very, very powerful for treating wounds, irritated skin, right? And it's always best when doing this, test it on a small area first. So we're making sure that this is properly done. This is looking wonderful thus far. All right, so gather it like this, and if you have like your skin problems, you can actually apply the sap like this, right? The juice as well. You see the juice right here? The sapper juice right here can be applied directly to wound as a natural antibiotic, right? This is a topical treasure that I want you to learn, right? So this can be used to soothe skin irritation, right? Treat boils, acne, psoriasis, eczema, right? I know a lot of persons, they never knew that this was an important part and benefit of the snake plant, but now you know. All right, so as you can see here, right? Powerful remedy with natural antibacterial, antimicrobial benefits, right? Very excellent for skin inflammation as well. All right, we have come to an end of this video, and if you have enjoyed this video, remember to smash that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, leave a comment, and share this video with a friend. One love and shalom. Thank you.